In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot Extension. First, we will install the extension. You can download the HubSpot Sales Chrome extension directly from the Chrome Web Store. If you are using Outlook, simply find the add-in in the Microsoft App Source. This step is crucial as it sets the foundation for everything that follows. Once you have the extension installed, you will notice an icon appear in your browser toolbar or Outlook interface. This visual cue indicates that the extension is ready for use. By completing this step, you ensure that you have the necessary tools to integrate HubSpot with your email platform seamlessly. Once that is done, we need to connect your inbox. Before the extension can sync with your email, it's essential to connect your personal email to HubSpot. To do this, navigate to your HubSpot settings, look for the General section and click on Email. Here you will find the option to connect your personal email. This step is important because it allows HubSpot to access your emails for tracking and logging purposes. After clicking the Connect Personal Email button, a prompt will guide you through the connection process. You will see a confirmation appear once this step is completed successfully, reassuring you that your inbox is now linked to HubSpot. First, we'll log into your email account. Open either Gmail or Outlook, depending on which service you are using. When prompted, log in with your HubSpot credentials. This action is vital because it authenticates your access to HubSpot features directly from your email platform. The integration will allow you to track emails, manage contacts, and utilize HubSpot's powerful sales tools without leaving your inbox. After entering your credentials, you may see a loading screen as the system verifies your information. This verification ensures that your account is secure and that only authorized users can access your HubSpot data. At this point, you should see the HubSpot interface integrated into your email. This interface will provide you with various options, such as logging emails, tracking opens, and creating new contacts. Take a moment to explore these features as they can significantly enhance your productivity. By having these tools readily available, you can streamline your workflow and focus more on building relationships with your clients instead of managing tasks manually. From there, familiarize yourself with the functionalities available through the extension. You can log emails to HubSpot directly from your inbox with just a click. This capability is essential because it allows you to maintain accurate records of your communication without extra effort. Additionally, you can track email opens to gauge engagement, which is particularly useful for follow-ups. Understanding these features will help you maximize the benefits of integrating HubSpot with your email service. Now, let's ensure everything is working correctly. Send a test email to yourself and check if the email logs in HubSpot. This final check is crucial to confirm that your extension is functioning as intended. If you see the email logged in your HubSpot account, that means everything is set up correctly. You can now confidently use the HubSpot extension to manage your customer relationships more effectively. With that ready, you are equipped to utilize the HubSpot extension to its full potential. This integration will save you valuable time and enhance your sales efforts. You can now work seamlessly between your email and HubSpot. Enjoy the benefits of this powerful tool, knowing that you have streamlined your workflow and improved your productivity.